Sorry, friends, I was so busy with the new assignment. So today we will see a simple Java programs on Linux. One of the program is this is a new program. If you see this, I run this program. Another program I have made today, tr2.java. So here you can see the string are the command line arguments are given to the function, and let us see how this program works. So the class has to be the first letter has to be capital class program. So there is error because there is no argument given. So argument. So it prints. And let us see if we can print letters. Can print alphabets also. So as you can see, this anatomy of the program is a program. So I have just started to learn coding, and I will also bring shortly some videos. So together we'll learn and together we'll succeed. Thank you. Bye bye.